Have you ever sat at the piano and just had no idea what to play? No clear starting point, but you want to play like this? In this video, I'll show you 5 simple tricks to instantly start improvising emotional piano music. So, the first big problem is, where do we even begin? You need a framework, and the easiest framework is a chord progression, like this: A minor, E minor, D minor, and back to A minor. This progression gives you structure for your entire improvisation. Keep it simple, use block chords like we did, or arpeggios. Whatever feels natural. The goal is not complexity, the goal is emotion. But the next problem, how do you actually create melodies in your right hand? The trick is, use the chords in your right hand. Start and end your melodic phrases on notes from the current chord, A minor, A, C, and E, and then create these phrases. Or this phrase. Same goes for E minor. This is a chord in your right hand, and then create these phrases. The same goes for D minor. This is your chord in your right hand, and then create these phrases. So, you always anchor by chord tones. Very important. Improvisation is like learning a language. Chord progressions are your grammar. And melodic phrases are your vocabulary. So, learn them. If you want to learn this step by step, I've created a free guide, 10 Secrets to Improvisation. Link is in the description. One more important trick. Position your right hand as if you're about playing the chord. That way your fingers naturally fall onto the right notes. But the next problem, how to avoid chaos. Improvisation often sounds random. Here's the fix: repetition. Repeat your melodic phrase at least twice. For example, use one phrase for A minor and then for E minor. And then your third chord, use a variation, D minor, use chord tones, connect them. And then, very often, your fourth chord becomes your destination. End your phrase, add a small pause, let it breathe. So put it all together, repetition, variation, and then final chord, our destination. That creates structure and makes your music feel intentional. And if this is helping you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. How do we make this more cinematic and emotional? 2 simple ideas. First, connect your phrases. This is our first phrase and this is our second phrase. Connect them like this. Once again. Create smooth transitions between them. And second idea, use chord extensions in your melody. And then go to the 9 of the chord, or E minor. The 9 of the chord, or the 7. This is 7, or E minor. This is a 7. This creates a richer, more emotional sound. But won't using only 4 chords get boring after a few minutes? So here's what we do. Introduce a second chord progression. G minor, D minor, B flat major, G minor, and then D major. Now you have contrast. For the melody, use the same idea. Pick 3 notes from each chord and build phrases and use variations. Have a listen. Same concept, new emotional color. So, now let's bring everything together. We use both chord progressions and we connect melodic phrases and we use octaves for dynamics. And this is how you can turn simple chords into cinematic, emotional improvisation. And in the next video, I'll show you how your right hand alone can become a powerful generator of deep, passionate emotion.